Alexis, bring Mommy your shoes. Come here.
Actually, I've never been out in it.
Never been out in the snow? But you're my nice helper.
Hey, good girl. Whoops. Oh, you fell down. Get back up. Oh, fall back down. Get back up. Now where are you going? We're watching Mike the Knight. She's just having fun over there. See over there my little gingerbread man house on top of the VCR? Yep, pretty proud, pretty proud. Alexis, look at Mommy. Mwah! Give me a kiss. Aw, what a good girl. What a good girl. Alexis. Do something interesting. Don't go over there. Come here. I said no. Come here. Hey, you little devil. She's over there. Toy pusher cart thing's over there. She's probably gonna go get it. See? Do I know her well or what? There you are. That's my boot. Get your toys. I knew exactly what she was looking at. This thing I bought for her for Christmas, but she unwrapped it, and then I was like, whatever, because she unwrapped a lot of the gifts. And my mom, she was watching her and let her open it, like, out of the package. And I was so angry. But she loves it. That's a sock. Are you trying to make it, like, float or something? Now she's going to try to get through. Watch, she'll squeeze. Don't, Alexis. Hey! No. No. Miss Alexis, go play with your toys. Hey, you. Smile! Cheese! Cheese! Tug. Cheese! Are you one of those morning babies that have funky hair? I think you are. Hi! Oh, there's your smile. Good girl. Say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Right, well, guess not. Bye-bye.